Ayan na. Sa inyo nakaharap. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas lang ga. Merry Christmas, Paul. Merry Christmas, Bear. Yeah, huwag na tayo pasaway. Pay mo nakatubang.
Kailangan tandaan yung pangalan ng kinain mo at yung lalagyan mo. Anong pangalan nito? Salmon. Salmon.
Kasi salmon?
Salmon.
Pamayin natin.
Sarap po po natin. Matigas na pagdigi mo na mo.
Pag hindi ka natin. Basis talaga sa sister. Matigas daw.
Ang oras kayo kung umuwi. Umaga na ka. Nag-stay pa kami na nagsarado. Alis na sila sa
Ano una silang umuwi?
alis na sila sa kaya tayo dito sa
Wala na? Bakit?
nabilisan.
Si Sam?
Pero may-message na ako pag meron na siyang dito. Either lang tayo kung ulang siya. Pero sabi nung isang request, si Nick ba?
Oo.
Still yung coming back here, then I'm on the one and the weekend.
Did Tony contact you this morning?
No, ma. He messaged me, I love you. Oh.
Yeah? He
Ano?
messaged me.
Messenger? Messenger is okay, but call? No.
You said you loved me.
Nag-behave ka pala. Ha? Harap mo pa rin.
It's also nice. It's also, it's not whole credit as well. But again,
Beetroot. What is this one? Beetroot. Oh. No. No, they did.
pickled chestnuts, I think.
Tropical onion.
Pickled onion, pickled chestnuts.
No, onion. Bakla. Hindi ka magsisi, right?
Ano?
Pickles ko lang ba ako masarap?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas to everyone. Yes, we're having a small party. Well, naman itong salmon.
Ha?
Yun. Ang nagdala ko dyan. Pagka magkita naman ko. This is good.
Good. Yeah.
Oh, what do you know? This is good.
You like it?
Yeah. Okay.
Tikman mo lang, masarap siya appetizer. Yung maliit lang.
Dahan-dahan, marami itong mabubusan ko. Eh, yun naman sabi mo.
Marami yun? Yun lang naman isang order eh. Nag-iisang order. Nag-iisang order eh. Nag-iisa.
Isa, parang ko nag-dito.
Hindi naman yung...
Why Tony Boy didn't date with you? Good job. We don't know this.
Maybe he doesn't like you enough.
We heard about it.
Next time, you should take you.
Ito, ang sarap. Perfect.
It's got a German name, Gewurztraminer. Called Gewurztraminer, but it's actually from Alsace, which is near Strasbourg, near the Swiss border.
But they have this at the bar, no?
No, you very often don't see it. You very often don't see it in restaurants as well. It's quite an unusual wine. Gewurz means herb in German, and it's a little bit sweet.
Merry
Quite a strong
Christmas.
taste
Merry
as well.
Christmas, everyone.
Yeah,
That's what I
and
mean.
which is what I like. I like it. It's slightly sweet. It's not so acidic. And I often drink it.
Merry Christmas. Nakarap sa'yo. Tama lang.
Oo, sila sa
Thank you, Papo.
But it's stronger though.
It's a little bit. I think it's from the Chardonnay grape. It's a little bit stronger than Chardonnay.
Itikman mo na yung langga. Kung yung ano.
Because the most
No need to adjust.
sweet. But this is strong. Lagay mo na lang doon.
I had a lovely present of was her name Destiny Sophie Geraldine. That's her name. At the JBL speaker. You know the speakers? Yeah, bought this JBL speaker. Lovely.
You have a gift?
Yeah, from her. Yeah, and a lovely JBL speaker.
Ah, yeah, because said you like it.
Really nice. It's really nice.
The one you used to we were in Christmas party.
Yeah, that kind of thing. But the small one, really lovely. The sound's amazing.
I don't know if lagay mo daw doon sa tabi mo. Ikaw na mag-adjust. Dito din naman sa konti. Hindi ka man nakita.
I don't need to.
O, ito din dito. Ganyan lang. Sarap. Puso mo yung salmon man. Ha?
English etiquette, you finish?
Yeah, I like it. Not enough.
There you go. No, it's English etiquette. It's American culture together.
So it's like that.
Well, it's probably like that. Yeah.
I thought it's like this.
Well, I can decide because I've got a strange place, but my mum was brought up in a boarding school by nuns, Catholic school. She taught them by nuns. She used to be really horrible. She hated it, but they taught her how to do everything nice, etiquette and everything. Even drinking the soup, which was really weird. She taught me this. I had to do this at home. Where you usually, when you eat your soup, you'll see it. You do it like this, and then you put it aside, and then when you finish the dish, you put the dish that way and do it that way. And I had to do that at home.
Oh my God. That's a proper.
Now I just
Table etiquette.
and she used to
Yeah.
say, she said, you used to treat this house like a hotel. So I thought, so later in life, I thought, well, when I go to a hotel, I need to act badly because that's apparently what you have to do.
Yeah. Now you become conscious of what you're doing.
No, because
My mom's still alive. My mom's 90 now.
Yeah. You see her?
I haven't seen her for a while actually.
Oh, I thought you were going to for your birthday.
I didn't go.
Yeah.
I was on the phone for an hour with her. She's still got her. She's still quite mentally astute still. She's very frail. But,
still remember you?
you can talk to her like this, normal, yeah? She gets certain things, but no, she's very skinny. She's always been very skinny. But I was very lucky. I knew all my grandparents. I was 16 when my first grandfather died. My mom's dad. He was 92 when he died. And then all my other grandparents were in late 80s, like 87, 88 when they died. I knew all my grandparents. I was very lucky. I had a great family, big family. And then suddenly all died. But my dad died at 63.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you believe that they say usually men is always die first than the
I
woman?
think the stress that women cause.
Bad, so that's it. So that's the answer.
That's the reason.
Yeah. That's what Tony
It's
answer
often the
also.
case. I think generally men abuse themselves a bit more than women. They generally.
Yeah.
I
That's,
certainly abuse.
actually, that's Tony's answer also. Said, because women stress the men.
I think what's strange now, if you look at from the West, especially when UK, America, you don't go out. You see couples walking down the street, and the woman very often much bigger than the men. And men are slim and they look after
So
themselves.
what is
more.
the...
You see so many abuses for lack of exercise and eating McDonald's and all that shit. And you see women often fatter than me, you know, big legs and everything. Huge. Yeah.
Kunin ko?
Very often.
Hi! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Yan, ang ano namin. Yan, ang mga malukoma. Sana natin iharap. Meron na yung sabaw natin. Bakit pinatay na lang? Okay. That's why I choose it. Ha? Just one.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Ano ito mga pagkin? Ito nang gamit mo yan sa tinapay. Yung isa-isa. Ba't hindi mo inubos?
Gago.
Sarap yung tinapay.
Tama lang.
That's the secret ingredients for this. Movies. Well, do you want me to do like this? I cannot.
It's weird, isn't it?
It's too hard for me.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like that.
I don't know what to do. I used to when I was at home, I had no choice. But my mum and dad were so strict. Whenever we had a
Cellphone mo
meal,
yan?
I had to eat the meal. I couldn't
Sige
leave
ka,
the
kate,
table
imuha na.
until I finished my meal. And obviously they would leave me there for hours. But my dad used to like this thing called soused herrings, which is a herring fish. And it's rolled up, and it's called roll mock, and it's in hot vinegar and water. And I ate it, and my dad really loved it. So I was home from school or whatever, and I'd see it. Soused herrings. I hated it. It's basically a dish with a herring in it, and I had no choice. No choice. Honestly, I could never leave the table without it. I'd be sat there for, I don't want it. You've got to stay there. I could never leave the table until everybody had finished. And I'd say, and at the end I'd have to excuse me, can I leave the table? Honestly, they were so strict.
I just want to
Ah, thank you so
A bit child abuse to that.
much. The problem is, if you're
And also, and this is a funny thing. In the summer holidays from school, I had to leave the house. I couldn't say anything. My mum and dad would go to work, but I couldn't get out of the house. And even they would come home from work, get out of the house. And I had to go out and play with friends or even on my own. They threw me out the house. Get it. Probably didn't like me. No, they just wanted me out of the house. They just said, get out and play. You're not sitting in
na
the
yung
house.
kaan nila.
Go out and play football or on your bicycle. Just get out. Get out of the house. You're not staying. They threw me out the house all the time. And if I did that to my parents today, and to my children, that would be no present child will be. I said to my children, they want to
Tayo
have
na
a
po nag-usap
computer.
din,
They
napagod na ako.
just,
Ka-English.
Nosebleed.
Why like that? Maybe they just want to... Ako na yung pinapansin mo. Dip-dip mo siya.
Dinip-dip ko na nga kanina. Hindi mo nakita, yes. Ngayon ko. Sa doon lang. Oo. Eat, eat, eat. Merry Christmas.
Siyempre kami yung bibag.
Awesome.
Jollibee. Hindi lang bibag.
Gusto pa tinapay?
Ha?
Gusto mo pa tinapay?
Hindi na pwede. Susunod.
Kasi, uy, pwede ka naman lumigit kayo ng dalawa or ano?
Huwag na.
Pwede yung sarawuli.
Pwede naman yan. Pwede naman.
Ay, nabubusang na tayo. Sabi ko.
You know the
Masarap to kapag may
the
init.
dog, the German Shepherd
Kasi
dog,
umay ito pag hindi may init.
Alsatian is the real name for it. Alsatian, the German Shepherd dog called an Alsatian because it comes from the same city, Alsace. So the dog comes from Alsace, that's why it's called an Alsatian.
Dali lang lang.
Uy,
That's
yata yung
Alsace.
itsura eh.
Picture ba? Ay, naman. Alam ko naman pala.
It's so bad.
So it's the region in France called Alsace. And the dogs came from there, the German Shepherd dogs was called an Alsatian because somebody who comes from Alsace is
Thank
called
you.
an Alsatian.
Na, okay na.
And that's where the dog name is. You know the Alsatian dog?
I know the German Shepherd.
It's called the real name is Alsatian. It's a German Shepherd. It's used to help the shepherds who were herding the sheep. There were no shepherds, it was sheep. So it was a German Shepherd dog.
Kami nang minsan, hindi yan nagsasabi sila.
Shepherd, although Alsace is
Ay,
actually in France,
mayaman na kami.
but it's on the German border.
Isa mo kami mayaman. We are rich today.
Seize the moment.
Ay, ganda.
We are rich today, guys. O, diba? Ano, napagigyan mo.
We are rich today with our reason.
I want more bread. More.
Did you ask for a bread?
One more bread. Excuse me, could I have some more bread, please?
Yeah, sure.
Yan, hapon, sabi ko sa'yo.
Hindi na naman ako no. Kaya
Huwag ka
po,
mahiya.
ito naman ako makas. Ay, hindi na natin ko. Ha? Hindi na natin ko.
Hawaiian.
I'm sure na
Bob Marley.
Yeah, but my sounds like a gay quote. So.
Mga Hawaiian.
Not very
This Hawaiian attire.
Yeah?
Celebration.
Hawaiian tayo.
Where's my bread?
Gusto ng bread.
Nuts from the ocean. Shining, shimmering.
Ay, may shimmering.
Parang
But that's another thing I just do. Elbows on the table.
is that new?
I was never allowed to do that. What's that?
Thank you. Is that new? You're perfect. You're dressed very well.
Usually I am this morning.
You iron the iron?
I do.
Who iron? You? Oh. Why?
Ayaw niya, guys. Ayaw niya.
I don't need people to do
Huwag
mine.
ganun din siya nung anak.
You mean the shirt? You mean the shirt? You iron?
Oo.
Yeah, iron.
Ay, tinapay ko dun. Busin ko naman nayatap ko.
Kung sa may plancha
Just
pala.
have one piece of bread.
Ayaw, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. want so hard.
No, hindi. Malambot siya. Malambot.
How often you say that?
I like something hard, not this one. The boy. Give me the bottle, please. Don't waste it. Huh? I think you're happy this thing. Gerald. Don't call her this thing. Ah, what the heck? Yes.
Okay.
Ayun.
Sino yung viewers mo lang?
Mamaya natin malaman. Ang mga marik.
Ganyan yan, pagkatabi mo.
Did we finish the wine?
No. Wala naman doon.
Make it louder.
Mga viewers, kaya mga maritis.
It's a nice Christmas day, isn't it?
Thank you, Paul.
One and only, I eat one.
You need to keep up your exercise. And
But the problem is I cannot grow so long.
that's not going to happen, is it? It just, you can go, if you carry on, you can go wider.
Yeah, that's the problem.
But you do a lot of exercise, so. Yeah.
I should call you the other day. We go hike in the morning.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you're getting ready for your date. Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Meal was nice last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Food was really lovely. And was not expensive either. I was quite surprised. It's a really, did you know the Gloucester Rock Hotel? Opposite, Flame Bar? Opposite there, the Gloucester Rock Hotel.
Parang nagtatais
Staying
ng
in the
pera.
morning this time, but normally I stay there. I have two restaurants,
Alam
Rosa
mo yung sa
Buffet.
gabi lang, ang bayan.
Inside upstairs,
Hindi
in
ka ba
the first
napagod
floor.
na maggasto?
I have one called
Hindi.
the Canton Room is the restaurant on the left, and then on the right, I think it's called the menu. But on the left, we had the meal there last night.
Masyado ka namang ano.
Really, really nice. Really lovely.
Stingy.
Hindi siya madami.
Nakikita mo naman sa tao.
Saka hindi siya kalaway.
Kasi ayaw mo.
Ayaw mag-away.
Oh, you want real time or something? Or...
Merry Christmas! Ay, dito, Merry Christmas daw lang daw. Ikaw ang sinabihan. Ay, harap mo sa'yo. Hindi ko mabasa.
You are just fans. You're not just fans, is it?
Merry
You heard of
Christmas!
just fans? It's where these people go
Merry
online or
Christmas,
make it
everyone!
With just fans. So, a lot of women are really well-known doing huge things online.
Dito kami sa Jimmy Kitchen.
So,
Masarap siya sa masarap. Inom kami na ng inom. Ganun ba yun?
so it's OnlyFans, it's just that good OnlyFans. So, you've got a picture of a woman there, and it's OnlyFans, it's all naked pictures of women and men and everything, and people pay them money. So send me the calendar for 2026. They're all fans.
Gift pala sa'yo. Kasi ano yun?
All industrial fans.
Chicken.
Masarap tayo makuha ng gift.
Big money somewhere. Yeah.
You is
I
taken.
don't know people yeah, because I don't like pastry very much. And obviously there's a big pastry out there. And I'm not a real fan of pastry.
Never had it.
No?
So I want to try.
You have to try this
Both
before.
famous. I think this restaurant's famous for being great. I think, yeah. There's a steak with
Huwag ka naman sa amin
pastry
lang.
around
Mas
it.
magandang mag-picture. Tama mo na.
Never had ordered
Ikaw na lang sa
comparison.
mas marami pa sa kanila.
Ay, you take a picture. You take a video first. Videohan mo.
Palos pang the big
Nagsisi kayo ngayon, ano?
Marami sa inyo ah. Bakit sa amin ko konti?
Introduce mo to. Beef to.
Ano naman nagdagdag sa kanila? Wala naman yan. Yung parang ano.
Yam lang naman yan.
Cake.
Yam tsaka potato.
Gusto mo ba ito?
Yam potato lang yan.
Ito masarap. Ganda pa naman.
Hi, Leia. Merry Christmas.
Leia, Merry Christmas. Nag-hagi ka ba?
Parang nag-hike sila ngayon.
Hindi sila
Merry Christmas.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Kasal na yung anak ko.
Sana tayo dun.
Kaya nga, maubos ang pagkain natin.
Thank you.
Ay, narinig na.
Maybe you can do 0.5 para Paul. Thank you. Kakaya kita.
Oh, yum.
Kung naging
Okay.
para willing ka.
Smile. Yes.
Ano yan, nagka-picture.
Picture. What is this? Oh. Puso.
Ang sarap. Parang nasa Manila naman tayo na.
Parang saan?
natin.
Saan?
What is it called? Enough said station.
Yung alin?
Lawan. Malala sa kanila.
Bigyan na lang sa kanya. Kaya nag-gusto niya. Gusto niya yan. Parang yun ang gusto niya sabihin. Kaya nga.
Para hindi ka daw malasing. Hindi naman tumigil.
Bro, kung
Rum-rum.
Do you like?
Sorry?
Do you like it? Do you like it?
I do. Just the pastry is a bit sad.
Yeah.
But the baby is just that.
Ano masuk? Hindi mo naman ako. Masarap naman ano. Makuha ng tinigo. Pusong sabi mo sibuyas. Sabi ko,
parang sibuyas.
ay Marisa, mali ko.
Red.
Marisa,
Mamaya mo.
bigyan naman ako. Ano na, Merry Christmas, is? Sabang tesin. Sa loob po kayo. Baka kayo ng ano, ng universidad ko. Mas mahal sana sa loob. Po kayo. Lakaran nyo lang. Isa lang yung bakit papunta. Ay. Ito sa shop na mag-basta. Alam niyo yung name. So, guys, ang bigan. Pero malayo na kayo. Ayun ang hindi ko alam. Pwede dyan sa shop. Akit kayo dyan. Meron dyan. May barbecue.
Hindi siya nag-break.
Tatanong siya ngayon yung direction ng
Siya nag-live?
nasa shopping sila.
Hindi siya nag-break.
Tatanong siya doon sa shopping. Nasa shopping sila.
Saan sila punta?
Puso lang sa
Puso. Labo, hindi onion yan. Red onion.
baby.
Well, this is a well done or ano na na?
Wow, medium
Rare, medium rare?
But it's not. No. It's very
I guess
raw.
it's not raw. Raw.
Medium rare.
Yeah?
Medium raw. Pero kung raw, raw siya talaga magkakaroon. Hindi ang medium na talaga. Wala kang makitang ganyan na. Dugo.
Oo, wala kang pag ano, well done. Pag well done, wala kang makikita.
We flat, flat iron stick. You know that, right?
They went to Flatiron in West China.
Ano din lang tayo in
See West
South.
China? It's the Flatiron. Flatiron is right there.
Flat iron stick.
We went there, didn't we?
Yes.
We tried the stick there. Very nice.
Nag-gate kami doon yun. Masarap doon ba ko?
Oh, masarap yun. Nila doon masarap.
Ang paggabi?
Eh, nung una pang punta.
Yung una.
I don't eat very much red meat. So,
Wow.
I don't.
Ito pag kumain to, hindi lang sa simple-simple yung restaurant.
Ano naman?
The iron.
Nakalay.
I think so, probably.
Medyo.
Kumbaga hindi alintana, hindi siya calculate.
Paluto mo ulit kung busog na ako. Ayaw mo lang yata eh. Ilaw pa naman kasi ilaw.
Kailangan kasi natin ng ganito.
Kung hilaw yan na yung dugo niya, namumula pa talaga yung nagdidrip. Pero okay lang naman, hindi well done lang ito. Luto siya, kahit meron yan yung vlog talaga na nakakita mo yung vlog. Laro mo lang yan. Diba? Yung ano niya. Pag si Amo, ganyan.
Gigas kitchen.